My name is Alex. I'm the prototyping lab manager for the Aerospace Innovation Hub. This lab is a prototyping lab. This specific lab is more of a machine shop. We have a lot of heavier equipment in here for cutting metals, plastics, wood. So it's great for members that need to prototype anything in metal. Maybe it's drones or maybe it's aircraft components, but they can come in here and they can machine their parts. We also have a 3D printing lab where they can do quick prototypes in polymers. So if they have any complicated geometry that they want to kind of prove before they start machining, they can do that in the 3D printing lab. If you have the Tier 1 membership, then yes, you will have access to this lab, as well as the 3D printing lab, as well as all the wet labs in this building, as well as the space in the airport. So the airport is a co-working office space. So that's more for if you have events or meetings, or if you have any software that you're working on. This is different because we're doing prototyping here. We're doing, more hands-on. We're cutting metal here. We're 3D printing. Everybody likes that there's a variety of equipment here. We have all sorts of different companies working on different, components. They may be working on medical devices from the LSIH, or they might be working on drones for the AIH. We can do all of that here because we have the variety, we have the capabilities to support all these startups. A lot of companies, they may not have the expertise on, a specific type of equipment in here or a specific type of project, so they can actually come to me for help. I'm very happy to, guide them through that process. So I enjoy that process a lot and I enjoy working here.